time to do it. So I'm going back in with my chrome, and I have to be ever so gentle doing this. Because otherwise it won't go onto the other parts of the nail, which I don't want. So I'm trying to be as meticulous as possible. So far, so good. Not too shabby. Oh, this is cute. This is my first time, okay? Can't you tell I'm excited? Oh my goodness. I don't know, but doing nails just takes me to a whole different place. It's like I'm in a world all by myself, and I'm genuinely enjoying every moment of it, and I just get lost in the entire process of it all, because I really, really do love this. I do. So that's one down. Not too much transfer. I can clean that up with some acetone. But let's try to see if we can do it a little bit better on this one without the mess. I remember when I first started doing nails, oh my god, they were horrendous. But I'm getting better day by day, learn different things, not afraid to try new techniques and designs. Change is good, you know. With change comes growth and knowledge. You learn things. This transfer is insane. Look at that. Compared to this, like if you watch the other video, you would know. But oh my god. Now what I don't like is the fact that I'm not able to edit long form content right now because of my phone situation, my storage situation. So when I go on Canva, because that's where I edit my long form, well, all my videos, all my editing, that's what I use. I use Canva. And when I go on now to edit long form, because I have a video for you guys there, and it's been there for, I want to say over a month now. I believe over a month now it's been there. And whenever I try to wrap it up, I can't. I get all these different error messages on the screen, and it tells me different things that I could try to, you know, fix it. But man, it doesn't work, and I feel so stuck. So I've just left it there. And then I've wanted to do long form after that because I've had other things that I've recorded and I have no way of achieving that because I can't go there to do anything long form wise. It just won't take. So I feel a bit lost, you know. For that reason, it kind of makes me feel down because it's like you're trying to put in the work and I'm just getting some acetone. That's why you're not seeing me what I'm doing. Trying to put in the work and you're not even able to do what you want to do. It's quite frustrating. So the acetone gets that right off. First time I tried chrome, I figured out that I could use acetone for my cleanup, and I've been doing that ever since. But I just want to keep getting better and better at how I apply the product and the quality of the design once I'm through. And you have to be careful with the acetone because if you go too close to your design, you will remove that as well. And you can't just go back over with the chrome because it has removed that little, I would say, layer, as it were, that the chrome would be sticking to when you had just applied the gel. It's not a sticky layer or anything, but I just call it a layer because it's. So yeah, here we go. Clean, squeaky clean, all good. I'm just gonna go over now with my Glossit. But I feel like I want something else here. Am I doing too much if I add something else? Would I be doing too much if I thought to add something? I don't know what I want to add. I just feel like I want to add something. Should I leave it alone? I think it looks great as it is. I was going to use some of these, but I feel like it's okay. I feel like it's okay. I don't want to do too much and then spoil the whole thing. I think that's great. So I'm going to go in from the side because we have all this beautiful ridges that we've created. This bangle design. I'm going to go into that and get the sides as well. Ta-da! Oh my god, I love this. If you don't know, I'm not a gold fan. I'm a silver and rose gold all the way. But because I'm so open-minded, I like to try things that I don't like. So just gonna cure that. So yeah, I'm open to, you know, trying colors that I don't like trying. So I'm doing, you know, this gold theme, and I'm gonna change this finger. I'm gonna change this nail, just a top. So I'm gonna remove the glitter from here, and then I'm gonna remove the this. Where is it? Where's this one? So it has gold flakes inside. See? Yeah, so I'm gonna remove that top coat and all that stuff, and I'm gonna be doing that bangle design on this nail, and then that'll be it. So I'm just letting this cure under the lamp, and then I'm gonna be doing some personal nail tutorials afterwards. Yep. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Feel free to send me an email if you want to. But I'm so happy with this. For my first time, I did a good job. Yay me. All right, guys. Bye. Well.